You can see all these icons below the keys. They're going to control what sounds are happening when. So I hit drum A. And we got a drum beat going. I turn on the bass. I can switch to the other bass lines at any point in time. And the drums. So, I mean, and then you have the synths here. You got some fills. And that was the ending. So these buttons up here also have different functions. You can transpose the key of the song up and down. You can do fills. You can do endings. And there are some effects as well. Let's take a look at the effects. You have some filters. A phaser. A lot of cool stuff going on. And then obviously you can always solo over this too as well. So endless possibilities here, and that is only the first preset. There are 50 different presets here in dance music mode that you can cycle through and get different bass lines, different drums. The possibilities are endless here. You can spend hours upon hours just jamming. And all you need is this keyboard right here. You don't need anything else. You don't need a band. You don't need any other crazy equipment. You put the keyboard down, you turn it on, and you are ready to go. So what we have here is an app called Cordana. It is free in the App Store, and you can download it, and what this is going to help teach you your favorite songs. So it's basically going to show you the notes on the screen as they come through. There are a bunch of internal songs in here, but you can also find your own MIDI files online, put them on your tablet, and then learn from there. So I made a MIDI file for my song Open Road. So I'll click on this right here. We'll load it up. And then there are a lot of options you have here as far as the play speed. You can slow it down. You can transpose it up or down octaves. And you can also set a loop. If there's a part of the song that you just can't quite figure out, you need to slow it down and then you need to loop it, you can set where you want the app to loop. It's going to loop between those red markers. But just to show you how it works, I'm going to take all that off. We're just going to hit play and go through it. The notes come down kind of rock band style.
I should find a home by the coast and spend all my money on fine wine and cigars, on hot women at bars, on some watches.
Alright, so you get the idea there. It helps break down your favorite song so you can learn it. And say that's too fast, we come in here, slow the tempo down. Let's slow it down. Let's also, maybe there's just one part in the middle here that you need to loop. So we'll loop a little part. So it's just going to keep looping this one part. We have slower tempo. So this is exactly what you need. I wish I had stuff like this when I was learning. This is exactly what you need to help you get through whatever song you're trying to learn. So it's definitely a very useful tool. The app is called Cordana. There's a link for it in the description, and it is available for free.